Guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I'm going to talk to you about pretty much prayer, pre-diabetes, weight loss, and your drive. So if you want to see what I got to say about that, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that thumbs up button and the notification button, and let's get to it. Okay, guys, last year I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, and that's something that I just didn't think that I was gonna ever have to deal with, right? So, you get scared, and then you get that motivation, almost like a New Year's resolution. Ooh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, to beat, your diabetes. And you start learning and learning. But then as time go on, I guess you lose your willpower. Let's keep it on me. You lose your willpower, you start eating again what you want to eat and things like that, knowing that you shouldn't. All along, that pre-diabetes is in the back of your mind, being like, man, I should eat this, this, and that. But you haven't conquered your cravings. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, that's going to happen. But at the same time, when you start getting afraid again, when you can't look at diabetes or pre-diabetes commercials without wanting to turn, or you start getting nervous, or you get the little signs of diabetes, pre-diabetes, like your feet tingling, you're constantly, having cravings, or you falling asleep right after you eat. Right after you eat. There's a lot of signs that tells you either a diabetic or you're a pre-diabetic. So there's no sense of being afraid. Just the first thing I would tell you to do is pray. Pray and tell him exactly what you want. There's a lot to know when it comes to diabetes, pre-diabetes, and we don't be wanting to hear the dangers of falling into a coma or having heart attacks and strokes and things like that. Who would really want to know that? But if you're in the danger zone of that, then after you pray, stop trying to control it. I'm not saying stop trying to control your diabetes. Stop trying to control how God is going to deliver you from that and from whatever you're doing that's going to make your diabetes get worse. Like drinking pop and eating a lot of carbs and things of that nature. Pray to God and just be really honest about, look, I don't know what I'm doing, God. I need help. I need help. I need you to help me find a way to beat this diabetes or cure my diabetes, or and things of that nature. Please lead and direct me in a way that I should go, because God, I don't know, and I'm leaning completely on you. Please teach me and give me the will, Father, to be able to follow these instructions and learn what I need to do and stay at it. Okay? Now, we all make resolutions and things like that, and shortly after the New Year's resolutions, we fall off. And but at the beginning, we go at it. So with anything in your life, and I'm just pointing out, pre-diabetes, because in a video, I did a video, to lose weight and everything, and it has improved my numbers, my glucose numbers, and things like that, and I'm like very, very, I'm grateful.
All right, basically I'm showing you my watch so you will see the date. This is Saturday the 25th, and I'm getting up in the morning and I am weighing myself, and I weigh 155.2. Yesterday I was 156.8. All right, this is Contour Next One. This is what I use to check my sugar in the morning. And the first thing you need to do is wash your hands. You want to make sure that your hands are completely clean. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, in this kit, you're going to get a travel pouch, and you're going to have everything you need in it. You're going to need the monitor. You're going to need the lancing strips. And what I'm showing you right now, that's what you're going to put the needle in. And the dials, the numbers on there, that shows you how deep the needle is going to go. I usually set mine on 4 to 5. and you pop the top off like that, and that lancet needle, this right here, is going to go inside of there. But you're going to twist off that top, and then you're going to put that needle right into this apparatus here. So once it's in there, you're going to put the top back on. And then once you get the top on, see there, you got 1 through 5. I usually set mine on 4 because that's how deep the needle go. And then to set it, to load it, you just pull it down, pull that piece down right there, and that little button is going to make it pop up. So these are the strips that goes in it. Those are the little, blood test strips, and they look like this. That goes in the machine. As soon as you put that strip in the machine, it's going to light up. And you can also have your numbers, guys, to go to your phone too if you want to program it to it. But it's not hard at all. So you see me push the strip in. Now I'm going to clean my finger with an alcohol pad. Now that's something that you're going to have to buy on your own. I get a box of those from Walgreens or Walmart. And I clean whatever finger I'm going to use. So I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. So I just clean them all. And then I start pushing the blood towards the, the tip of my finger. Now, guys, yeah, people talk about pricking, your finger and everything. But it's not that bad, I'm telling you. It's not that bad. So, it's loaded. I'm going to leave it on 5 and I'm going to push that button. See how quick that was? And then you're just going to push the blood. Push the blood. And that's really all you need, guys. And so now I am going to put it in the tip of that strip that's in the machine. And we're going to count down to 5, okay, guys? It's going to count down. And it's 85. Now, that's a good number because you want to be under 100. Now, to get the needle out of this apparatus here, you're going to twist off the top, and then that little button we saved, we're going to push it on there. Then that lever on the side, we're going to push that up, and that needle going to come straight out. And then you just throw it away. Now, 85 is a good number, guys, because I was way higher than that. And you want to be under 100 in the morning. So we're just going to put this top back on. And, guys, I take an alcohol pad and I cleans it off. You just want to make sure that all your equipment is sterile. And it is as easy as that. So this is my kit and everything that comes in it. And I do travel with it.
I can just put it to you like that. I get up in the morning and I check my, my diabetes, my pre-diabetes. And this is like a contour next day packet, that's the test strips. That's the, the little thing that the monitor. This is the thing that you load your needles or lancets up in and you stick your finger. And I just keep a whole bunch of alcohol pads there, to clean my finger and the machine. And it can all be overwhelming, but it's really not, guys. And you stick your finger and, you could keep up with your numbers, And so in this channel, I do a lot of things Regina's way. But this channel is at It's Regina TV, and you stumbled across this channel for a reason. Now, guys, I have been doing a lot of easy things because after I prayed, he delivered me. And I'm going to tell you, these are things that I didn't know right after I was, went to the doctor. He told me I was pre-diabetic. But now after that prayer, man, I am doing a lot of things that is just lowering my numbers, and I'm getting good numbers. My blood sugar levels, I'm learning how to burn sugar out of my, bloodstream and easy stuff. I'm like, man, I wish I would have known this before. But guys, I made a weight loss video about, losing weight because I was gaining weight and everything like that. And I was having those symptoms that I was telling you, like the tingly feet, constantly eating, having cravings, falling right to sleep after I ate. Oh, that was the big one. And like I said, I prayed and I came up out of it. And guys, I'm going to tell you, if you don't want to work out, then find something that you are willing to do. I'm going to show you an exercise right now. This is one of the simplest exercises that you can do. 1, 2. Just get on your toes. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You know, you working at a desk, still do it. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now, I'm telling you, me, sometimes I just sit and watch TV. Sit and watch TV and I do this. And if you want to make it even challenging, you put some weights or some books or something or a baby on your lap and just lift up your toes and leave it there for 2 seconds. And that's just one of the exercises, guys. There's a lot of things that I will be bringing you guys about, you know, what you can do about, you know, your hair, your skin, your pre-diabetes, you know, and things like that. Everything has been working, guys, for me. And like I said, I have been there, done that. And I'm just trying to, you know, share with you guys. Don't give up on anything that you've got, that you want to do. Don't give up on anything that you want to do. But first thing first, pray to God. Be honest with him. Be sincere with him. And then don't try to control how he's going to lead you to it. Because I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to know how he's going to deliver you from whatever problem that you're going through. And you have come to him for his help. So let him help you and not you try to, you know, be the problem solving, this and that. You did what you were supposed to do, and that was to pray to him. Well, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video coming out. And guys, you know I appreciate you. I love you guys. New subscribers, welcome. To my regulars, you know I love you guys. Thank you all for supporting my channel. And guys, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, be kind to one another, okay, guys? And I will talk to you later. Good luck on your journey. Mwah.
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice.